Hello everyone, my dear friend just now. Today I have on a sunglass to hide my shyness. Please don't mind. And basically, my dear friend, can you predict that where I am just now? Yeah, you were right, my dear friend. You know, my final year exam is going on, honors final year, and that's why just now I have come to my exam center. And behind me, we are having a ravishing outdoor of my exam center, which is really ravishing with different kind of design. And here we are having that the college has established in 1972 after liberation war. And if I just show you clearly, around me there are different kind of people, and they all of are just student and the candidate of honors final year exam, and they have also come here to take the final test. And after today's final test, we are going to be a graduated person, and we don't know what should we do, but we are trying to make us creative. সো প্রিয় দর্শক শ্রোতা, এই মুহূর্তে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি আমার চারপাশে অনেকগুলো আসলে কি বলবো যে মানুষজন। বাট if you want to proficient at English language, if you want to speak in English, then definitely you have to practice in a public place. There is no alternative way of speaking public place if you want to speak in English fluently. So that's the thing, my dear friend. অর্থাৎ কথা হলো যে আপনি আমি ইংলিশে কথা বলতে চাইলে আসলে অবশ্যই আমাদেরকে পাবলিক প্লেসে কথা বলতে হবে। পাবলিক প্লেসে কথা না বললে আপনার লজ্জা কখনো যাবে না, আপনি কখনো ইংলিশে কথাও বলতে পারবেন না। সো দ্যাটস দ্য থিং, মাই ডিয়ার ফ্রেন্ড।